Welcome to DNN. Here are your hosts. Yo. Noah W. Olivia T. And Karina P. with the weather.
Welcome to DNN. My name is Noah.
And I'm Olivia. Please stand for the pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Today is Monday, January 9th.
It's the 75th day of school.
Let's
look at the weather.
Good morning, my name is Karina, and today's weather is scattered showers with a high of 46 degrees. Have a great day.
These dragons had a birthday over the weekend. These dragons have a birthday today. Happy birthday!
We've got some ambitious second graders setting goals for the new year. Check out these student submissions by Mrs. Koster's second grade class.
And now let us recite the Dugan Kids for Character Pledge. We pledge to be kids for character. We will be worthy of trust. We will be respectful and responsible, doing what we must. We will always act with fairness. We will show that we care. We will be good citizens and always do our share.
Well, Dugan, that's a wrap.
Tune in tomorrow for some daily announcement.
DNN signing off.
I'm going. Adios.